Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lesleyanne and today I have a Glossybox unboxing for you. Now, let me just address the face, shall I? I haven't got any makeup on today. I decided to leave it all off because I don't know what's in this box. I haven't peeked at any of the other unboxings on YouTube. Comes like this if you don't know anything about the Glossybox. It's a subscription beauty box. You can subscribe for 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, or do a rolling 1 month. I tend to do a rolling 1 month. If I feel I want to cancel at any time, I can do that. Whereas if you do the 3, 6 or 12 months, you are entered into a contract and you have to give a little bit of notice. I don't think it's too much, you know, as a notice, but you do still have to give some notice. So I decided to go do it this way, and it costs me, I think it costs me $9.95 or $9.99 for the box, $3.95 I think it is for P&P. So yeah, anyway, let me get this open. So this box is for the month of March. Sometimes if there's an anniversary or a birthday or a special occasion, the box will be, it'll be an extra special box. But just literally opening this one here, this is the normal box that you would usually get every month. You always get some gumph in the box. This is for HelloFresh. There is a code here for you. If you'd like to use it, then please do. This is the code. I don't get anything for you using that code, by the way. So this is how the box tends to come month after month, as I say, unless it is an anniversary or a special limited edition box. Okay, so my ribbon, for once, I think this is the only time the ribbon hasn't been tied. Usually that ribbon is tied around the box and you would open, you know, sort of pull open the ribbon. But so I'm just going to pull that ribbon out. And incidentally, I use these ribbons in my crafting stash because they come in so useful. You've got your little magazine here that tells you everything about what's in this box, including the recommended retail price and the prices of the sizes that we've got in the box. And then they also give us a peek into April's box. So the box always comes with some tissue paper and it's sealed. Oh, okay, this looks interesting. And also it comes with these little wormy things. I tend to keep those because they're ideal for packing, they're ideal for if you're making hampers for people, you can fill up the basket or whatever you're using with these little wormy things. This tells me exactly what's in the box. The first one is Fix and Rouge. This is a full size product here, and it's a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix. Okay, designed to blur and minimise shine, this wonder-working primer will keep your skin fresh and flawless. With unique pore minimising and anti-blemish properties, skin impurities and breakouts are also reduced. Key ingredients include hyaluronic acid, which perfectly plumps and maintains moisture, as well as marshmallow root and Arctic cloudberry extracts, which keep skin energized. And the recommended retail price for this one item is £38. And as I say, this is a full-size product. Now this is one of the reasons why I didn't want to put any makeup on today, because I didn't know this was actually in here. So that's what the actual packaging looks like. What have we got in the way of mils in here? You've got 30 mils here. Okay, so I'm just going to... So it's a very, very pale pink. I don't know how far this is going to go or anything, so I'm just going to, you know, you can see what my skin was like before. Now let's see if it's any different. The only thing I have got on my face is FPF, which is what I put on every day anyway. feels super absorbent. It really does feel as though it's gone into my skin very, very easily. You can hear that noise. It's my two little dogs are playing. They're probably playing tug of war with a toy. Right. Doesn't really have a fragrance, but it feels very nice. What do you think? Has it made any difference? Does it look more flawless? Does it look a bit blurred? Has it blurred the lines? Because I can't see without my glasses. I can't see what it looks like in the camera. So let's get on to the next product then, shall we? And the next product is by Nails Inc, and it's a full size, and it is a nail polish called Palace Gardens Nail Polish. This super glossy, long-lasting, intense colour will look perfectly pretty on your nails. The polish also has a new expertly designed brush, which is exclusive to Nails Inc, and this ensures your polish is applied easily and will always create a flawless finish. Recommended retail price is £8. That's beautiful. Huh. How pretty is that? I don't have any nail polish on, so I'm going to just pop it onto one now for you. So I'll just sort of like pop it on that one. And there we are, that's what it looks like. How pretty is that? What a beautiful spring summer colour. So I have to finish all my other nails later. And now we've got Butinique Beauty, another full-size product. Nourishing Mascara, intensely volumizing. This Nourishing Mascara thickens, lengthens and adds curl for bigger, fuller looking lashes. Rich in conditioning, ingredients including camellia and almond oil. This mascara also works to strengthen and maximize the length of your lashes. The oversized brush is designed to grip and coat each and every lash from root to tip. Recommended retail price £15.50, and again this is a full size. So that's the box. So I'm going to use you guys as my mirror. So take a look at how short my lashes are. They're not long at all. They are quite sort of short. In fact, they are short. So I'm going to go in with one coat to start with. Can't really see the thing I'm doing. Just doing all this by feel. Does it look any different? Because I really can't see. My eyes are so bad without my glasses. Shall I go in with another coat? So that's the first coat. So when I play this back, I'll be able to see what it looks like. Let's go in with another coat, shall we? Feels nice. I don't actually know this brand at all. It's a new brand to me. I won't bother to do the bottom lashes, but forgive me if I've gone all over the tops of my eyes because I really haven't got a clue, but it feels nice. What brand did I say this was again? This is Butinique Beauty. Yeah, new to me. Yeah, I like the fact that it's in like the little squidgy tube. It's great because I think you can like really squeeze down to get all the mascara sort of down to the bottom to use it all up. Okay, next one is by So Eco, full size, and it's a complexion sponge. So Eco's complexion sponge evenly blends makeup for flawless, enhanced finish, ultra soft, flake resistant and long lasting. This sponge works both damp and dry, expanding with water to make blending effortless. Perfect for all face makeup. Pointed tip is ideal for concealer and smaller areas around the eye, whilst the sides are designed for applying foundation and blush. So Eco does its best for the environment. planting one tree for every 100 products sold. Recommended retail price of this one is £6. So here's the eco sponge for your makeup. I won't bother to get that out, you know exactly what they look like, and it's just sealed at the top. Then finally, one more product inside, which is by NYX, love that brand. Professional makeup, full size again. So we're sure you're going to love our Lucky Dip from NYX Professional Makeup. It could be a product for your lips, maybe the popular lip lingerie liquid lipstick, or for your face. Recommended retail price is from £4. So I have got, by the looks of it, I've got a lippy, which pleases me no end, because I would actually prefer to have a lipstick, because I really love lipsticks. This is a lipstick butter, and the colour is, what does it say? I can't see the colour on here, unfortunately, but it just says butter lipstick. So that's what the actual lipstick is looking like. I'll just show you the selection that there could have been. So there's a lipstick and a highlighter, or you could have got like a lip gloss. So out of these three items here, so I have the lipstick, which I'm absolutely delighted about. So let's put this on, shall we? So it's a really cute pink colour, sort of very, well, in the bullet it looks very Barbie pink, doesn't it? But if it's a lip butter, it may not go on quite that colour. So let's try. Oh, I think it is going to go on that colour. Get a little bit closer. Be warned, I'm coming close. Wow. Do you know what? I don't know if that's a little bit too powerful for me. On my hand, it looks like that. Can you see that? But I think it's looking a bit paler on my lips. And I think that might be because I've naturally got quite dark lips. So it's going to really change the colour of this lipstick. But I suppose the other thing you could do, let me just pop a little bit on there and a little bit on there. If I wanted to just like use it as a little bit of a blusher and look a little bit more put together without having to put hardly any makeup on at all. Maybe just that primer, if that is like, if it's blurring out a lot of imperfections, with the mascara, this a little bit of lippy, and this is a little bit of blush. Could be a complete day look, couldn't it? There's one of my little dogs there. I'm just gonna what do you think? No idea what this is looking like, you know, up close. So I'm going to put my glasses on now so that I can see a little bit better. The lipstick, I actually wouldn't wear. I don't know. Maybe in the summer I'd wear it if I've got a tan. It might look a little bit better. No, I need to put them back on. Can't see a thing. I think my skin looks really nice. Mascara, can't really see it. I'll have to have a look when I play this back to see what the mascara's like. But that's it, guys. That's what's in March's Glossybox. On the whole, I'm very, very pleased with it. I absolutely love the nail colour. That's beautiful, beautiful colour. I do love I love the feel of this lip butter. It feels amazing. It's just I don't know if I would wear it yet. Maybe in the summer when I'm wearing more pastel-y colours, maybe I would then. But I'm definitely hanging on to it because I like it. The mascara I definitely like. The primer, this one, love that one. Well, the beauty sponge is just a beauty sponge. I very rarely use them. I tend to use my fingers and brushes most of the time. So I might just gift that one to somebody. But I am loving everything in this box. So, roll on for the next box. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already subscribed, maybe you could think about subscribing. I'd love you to join me on my channel. Don't forget to press that notification bell, and then of course you will know when I do my new uploads. As I say, if you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a nice big thumbs up, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Take care, my lovelies. Keep yourself nice and safe. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.